If your income is low, saving money probably feels impossible. You pay bills, you buy food, you cover necessities, and by the end of the month, there's nothing left. So you might think, I'll start saving when I earn more. But what if the real problem isn't your income, but the way saving money is usually taught? In this video, I'll show you how to save money even on a low income, using realistic strategies that don't require extreme budgeting, side hustles, or giving up everything you enjoy. Let's make saving feel possible. Starting today. Section 1. Why saving feels impossible. Saving money on a low income feels unfair. When most of your money goes to rent, groceries, transportation, and basic bills, it feels like saving is only for people who earn more. You hear advice like, save 20% of your income, build a 6-month emergency fund. But when you're living paycheck to paycheck, that advice feels unrealistic. So many people blame themselves. They think they're bad with money. But most low-income earners aren't irresponsible. They're just stuck in survival mode. Section 2. The biggest lie about saving. The biggest lie about saving money is this: I'll start saving when I earn more. Because here's what actually happens. When people earn more money, they usually spend more money too. Higher income often brings lifestyle upgrades, more subscriptions, more convenience spending. Saving money isn't about income, it's about habits. If you don't practice saving small amounts now, it becomes harder to save larger amounts later. Section 3. Save first, even if it feels too small. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. But for low-income earners, there is usually nothing left. So instead, save first. The moment you get paid, put a small amount aside, immediately. This could be $1, $5, $10, or a fixed small percentage. The amount doesn't matter at first, the habit does. Saving a small amount consistently is more powerful than saving a large amount occasionally. Section 4. Use a survival budget. Most budgets fail because they expect perfection. They assume you'll never overspend, never crave comfort, and never make mistakes. That's not real life. If your income is low, you need a survival budget, not a perfect one. A survival budget has only 3 categories: essentials, rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, a small savings amount, 1 guilt-free spending category. That guilt-free category matters, because if saving feels like punishment, you won't stick to it. Section 5. Cut expenses without suffering. Saving money doesn't mean cutting everything you enjoy. Instead of asking, what can I stop buying? Ask, what am I buying that doesn't actually improve my life? Examples might include subscriptions you barely use, convenience purchases you forget about, impulse buys that don't bring lasting value. Keep spending on what matters to you. Cut what doesn't. Saving works best when it feels intentional, not restrictive. Section 6. Build a small financial buffer. Before investing or chasing big financial goals, focus on building a small buffer. A buffer is a small emergency fund that protects you from unexpected expenses. It doesn't need to be huge. Even $100 to $300 can reduce stress and prevent debt. That small cushion gives you breathing room and makes saving easier over time. Section 7. Realistic expectations. Saving on a low income is slow, and that's okay. Progress might look like saving $10 this month, saving $20 next month, slowly increasing when life allows. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is consistency. Every dollar saved is proof you're building control over your money. Section 8. Mindset Shift. Having a low income doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means you're doing the best you can with the resources you have. You don't need to wait for a better job or a higher paycheck to build better money habits. You can start small. You can start now. If this video helped you even a little, you're already making progress. Comment below, what's the hardest part about saving money right now? And if you want simple, realistic money advice, subscribe to the channel. Saving money is possible, even on a low income.